My name is Annie Troby, and I am the Experiential Learning Program Coordinator for Mason High School. I help coordinate students coming from Mason to come to our skilled trades workshop. We are beyond thrilled to have Welding Academy as part of our skilled trades workshop this year. Students were eager to learn more about welding, and they are the right group to do it.
My name is Rick Boyle. I'm with Creative Contracting and the Certified Apprenticeship Program by Conduit. We put together the 2025 Skilled Trades Workshop last year in the pilot program. A lot of the students, when we asked them what they would like to learn, expressed an interest in welding. When we brought that to the table, Elite stepped up. They came in and they built 4 amazing welding bays, and the students have had a fantastic time building the small drill projects that they brought this year. And it's neat to see them in there actively engaging in another trade that does nothing but help support and build the program that we're working on.